Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In today's episode, we will be learning how to download and install Photomath application on your phone or your tablets. Photomath is a powerful educational app that allows you to solve math problems. So, in order to get the app downloaded, tap open your Google Play Store on your Android device. Now, click on the search button at the bottom and go to the search bar at the top. Type in Photomath in the search bar. Once you do that, from the search result, look for the Photomath application from Google LLC and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download, which might take several minutes. Whether you are tackling basic arithmetic or advanced calculus, Photomath provides step-by-step solutions to help you understand the process. Once the app is installed, tap Open, and there you have successfully downloaded Photomath application on your Android device. You can now go ahead and scan any kind of a problem with the app. This app is an excellent tool for students and anyone looking to improve their math skills. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.